Hi guys, so we are going to see how we can enable enhanced session mode if it is not available for a VM. Right, for that we are just going to create a virtual machine very quickly and we will see if enhanced session mode is available or not. If it is not available, how we can enable it. Right, so yeah, let's go for the machine creation. We are going to use Edition 1. We are going to give 4 gig of memory and I'm going to disable it for my convenience. We can use that default switch. If you want to create other switch, then you can use this one virtual switch manager, right, to create your own switch and use that. So for hard disk, we are going to use existing hard disk that is available over here, so that we can create this machine quickly. So now the machine creation is in progress. Now I'm just going to start this machine. Okay, so here we should see a pop-up coming up for the enhanced session mode, and if it doesn't come, then we'll see how we can enable it. Fine, the pop-up is not there, so enhanced session mode even enabled on Hyper-V settings. You can see that enhanced session mode is available over here. It has been enabled, but it's not working. Right, so for that I'm just going to come over here, and you can also verify if it is working here or not. So you can see that enhanced session mode is disabled. So to enable it, we are going on terminal, and we need to install XRDP. Okay, so we can simply do this, and we are just going to check if Git is installed or not. Okay, so you can check over here that Git is already present. We are going to clone a script that is provided by Microsoft from GitHub. Okay, so the script will help us to install XRDP, and once that is installed, we will see the screen as a full screen, and all the clipboards and your disk can be accessed from this VM as well. Okay, if this doesn't work, then there is no other way you can do it, and I've spent a lot of time, but I didn't succeed, right? So this is the best way to enable it. Fine, so we're just going to get in here, and we will see there is folder called Ubuntu, and we have 18.4. So sometimes it works for 19.04 as well. So you can, if it is not working over there, you can use it. So we are just going to give execution permission to install .hsh script. Okay, now we are going to hit the installation. So we need to reboot once this is run. Okay, so it says that reboot your machine to begin using XRDP. So you might be required to rerun it, right? So if it's asked you to rerun, please rerun. So there is one more property that we need to set on the host machine. And we are going to do set VM, and we are going to use VM name. Okay, VM name is Ubuntu VM1. Okay, now the property is enhanced session transport type, and value will be HV socket. Okay, something is wrong. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, now we have set all the properties for Hyper-V to work on XRDP. So we are just going to restart it. Okay, now I'm going to start the VM. Okay, right, go to connect, and now you see that the pop-up comes up for you to configure the size, right? So I'm going to do it large scale, and there are other options that you can configure, right? If you want to configure for audio, and this one is important if you want to access your C drive over here and other plug and play devices, right? Just need to connect it, and now you should see it in full screen and XRDP starts working. So XRDP helps you to connect to a VM as if it is in your local machine. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, it will take some time. Okay, fine. So the screen is full now, and your enhanced session mode is also available. Okay, thanks for watching.